Okay, well, my first aid kit worked. I needed some of these 15 mil sealers. Now this one I took off was quite fat. And then that's the new one there. So once I took the old one off, I took my wire brush and cleaned that all up and got it ready to go. Now, what I was talking about this being metal, it hasn't bitten me, but it's close. Now what I'm gonna do now is stick that back in there. Then I'm going to put the nut on there, but loosely. Oh, actually, I might have been having it wrong. I forgot about that centering ring there. That's going to help get it in the center. So you want that sticking up, going up there. And then I took some of the plumber's mate. It was just this. It's putty. I gotta stop putting stuff on the seat. It's putty, plumber's putty, and filled the gap around that pipe down here. I just want that hole is too big, and I just want a little bit of something sticking in there. Like I said, I don't want any leaks. Now, like I said, I'm going to put the nut on there now. That's almost like I should have a washer down there. But we'll try it this way. So with that sticking up, put that on. Now, at this point, you don't want to tighten that up because you need the flexibility to get the get on there. Boy, it's at an angle, and I thought it was straight up and down. So, because it's tricky getting this pipe with that new. Is that the new one? Yeah, that's the new one. Tricky to get that to line up properly once it's in place. So now you can just take your time and get it on there. You see that? So it's nice and centered and finger tight. See, it was going on crooked if you're not careful. But with your fingers, you can't do too much damage. So now I can lift that up, because there's no room to spare down at the bottom. I can get that one back in and get that one on, finger tight. And then now I can fiddle with that putty a little bit and then tighten up that nut there. That's the one that holds the thing onto the tank, and this is where the water one is. So, is that in focus or not? I can't see. So now we can just start snugging it all up now. And hopefully this pipe's not too long. Pipe might be an issue. Where's the other one? See, that one might be shorter, and that pipe is cut to a certain length. I think I might have to take it apart and measure it and see how bad it is.